today's crochet tip. So if you already made your chain and then a line or a row of single crochet, double crochet, or triple crochet, and you realized you're one short or a few different ones short, I'm going to show you a quick trick on how you can do it without undoing everything. So for the first one is a single crochet. So let's say you went all the way there, all the way here, you did your chain, row, and then you remembered you were a few short. All you got to do, go into this first piece right here, pull up a loop, yarn it over, pull through one, yarn it over, and pull through two, making it a single crochet foundation chain. If you need to do another one, there's this third one right here, so that would be the single crochet stitch. You go into that very first loop, yarn it up, yarn it over, pull through just the one, yarn it over, and pull through both, just like that. And that would be how you do a single crochet foundation chain, adding on to that. So it'll look slightly different on the bottom, but if you're adding a border on the bottom, you'll be able to hide it pretty nicely. And then the same thing is for the double crochet. Only difference, you're going to yarn it over first, go into that spot, yarn it over, and pull through one, and then you're going to do your double crochet like normal. Just like that. And if you need to do another one, yarn over, and you're going to go through this one right here. So make sure you're not grabbing here, at the very bottom one right there. You're going to pull that through, yarn over and pull through one, yarn over, pull through two, making it a double crochet. And then just like that, you can add as many as you need. And then it looks as if it was part of your original plan. Again, if you add a border, it hides that little, tiny little bit right there, how it looks slightly different. And then with a triple crochet, or even a half double, we're not doing the half double in this video, but half double is basically the same. So yarn over twice for that triple, go into that piece right here. Remember, for that chain piece, you needed that chain, the loop through, pull through one to make the chain, pull through, and make the triple like that. Now remember, you don't want this bottom piece because that is the start. You want to make the chain, so you're grabbing right here. So that bottom one. So pull through, grab one, and just like that. And all you'd have to do is kind of hide that tail in or weave it in as you go. So that one would be the triple. That one would be the double, and that one would be the single. And that is how you would do a foundation chain to extend it out so you don't have to redo anything from a chain to a row.